Buongiorno! Ciao!
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
The town here, it's called Locana. It's a municipality of 1,000 people,
Okay.
no? And we are going up. In this part of the municipality, there are and there were absolutely a lot of pastures, no, for the animals.
Shepherds.
Exactly,
Shepherds, yeah?
shepherds, yeah.
Okay.
But not like in the past, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, because there was a big migration from the Alps area in the 60s, the 70s, no? When began the economic boom in Italy, no? So a lot of shepherds became workers in some factories. So, okay,
Wow.
here we are.
Buongiorno.
Anna e Letizia.
Buonasera. Sì. Wow. Beautiful.
Yeah.
It's just the mountain.
Yeah, the location is amazing, no? So.
That view is huge. You see top of the Alps, bottom of the valley, a waterfall. Are those your goats? That's not their animals.
No,
that's
no,
just
no, no.
coming by.
Yeah, I think that the shepherd is from Locana, maybe. Yeah.
So this was your grandparents' house.
Forse tuo papà e tua mamma avevano già erano già i tuoi nonni che avevano costruito. I nonni, ok. L'avete costruita per il pascolo? Sì, yes, for the pasture, no? For the cows, exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Capre,
Yeah.
per viverci,
Also for living.
And for living.
Yeah. Beh, allora vi devo tenere pulito così, Vi devo tenere pulito così proprio. Giorno.
You know him?
Conosco.
You know
No, mi so-
Sì, lo conosco, cioè abitano qua sopra.
Are there several shepherds you see come by? Can you ask again?
Li lasciamo mangiare.
Ok, yeah,
Perché intanto così almeno puliscono.
they permit to pasture here, no? So they maintain clean all the grass,
Per
no?
niente, diciamo di venire a mangiare.
Yeah.
Qui mangiavamo tutto con le nostre bestie, i miei nonni lavoravano e producevano tutto, patate, fieno, per gli animali. Poi i miei nonni sono mancati e quindi noi questo non l'abbiamo più fatto, purtroppo.
So the patate.
Sì, molte patate.
Dove?
Qua no, solo
No.
tagliavamo il fieno per gli animali.
Okay.
Patate qua sotto.
So what do we see here? This was the old barn?
Yeah,
Or
exactly.
stable-
The ground floor was the stables, no, for the animals, and in the first floor was the hayloft, no. We start with an house with all plaster, that because in the 60s, in the 70s, all the people wanna cover, no, the old stone walls, no. The plaster was a symbol of richness, no, of modernity also, no. Before that was completely covered by the plaster, so was a big job, no, to to show again the stones, no.
It's great, that rock up there. You just see
Yeah.
the hill and you kind of think of the house.
Yeah. But our first idea, me and Anna, Letizia, the other member of the family, is to maintain all what we can maintain, absolutely, no? You can see the old arches, no?
Before they were covered.
Exactly, all the house. There are some part that is the old culture, lime, exactly, yeah. And we try to replace the same colors and the same kind of little stone inside. We restore also the old fountain, no?
For animals?
To clean the clothes, exactly, yeah. This part, exactly, yeah. Because in this part, no?
Questo era il lavatoio.
Esatto. And we cover with calce.
Lime.
Lime, exactly. There are 1, 2 and 3 stables.
Stable,
exactly.
Sì, una stalla qua, un fienile.
Ok.
Un'altra stalla.
Sorry. Stable, hayloft, stable.
Oh, the
Okay,
hayloft
sorry,
is
my
lovely.
mistake.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
And also inside, we remove all the plaster because all the walls are absolutely originally from the 19th and the 20th century, no? So we remove all. Yeah, because.
Sorry, this is great. It feels like an old cave. Or
Yeah. We don't touch anything, you know. This stair is absolutely original stairs. So the only part that we make new is that wall, because before this wall didn't exist, you know. So to look that is a new wall, no, we cover with plaster, but the lime plaster. Prego. And there are the 2 stables.
oh wow, just fit in here, right?
So I'm 1 meter and 85. People people over 2 meters is not.
Are you about 6 feet?
6 feet.
6'2".
Yeah,
6'2".
something like that. Yeah, yeah.
Questa è proprio la
Was it the manger or the
Dove
H?
attaccavi le...
La mangiatoia.
mangiatoia.
Exactly.
Manger, yeah. Okay.
Exactly. And all these holes are the holes for the chains of the animals, no?
Okay.
Qua
Mangiano,
dietro
no?
si metteva il fieno.
Exactly.
The hay?
The hay, exactly. Yeah.
Dietro,
Yeah.
così mangiavano.
For you.
Yeah. It's not so close to the wall, no?
And now that you've hidden the light in there, sort of.
Yeah.
Right?
We designed the kitchen, no? Like only a block, a wood block, no? The sink, of course, the induction and all. Very, very simple, no?
Right.
We design all, no? The fridge.
So hidden.
Yeah, because we want something that maybe you don't understand if you don't look the sink. That is a kitchen part.
No, you
So,
don't.
exactly.
All hidden away. Wow.
Yeah.
So this was another stalla, another.
Exactly.
Yes.
This is the bedroom.
So again, you got the rounded ceiling. It's a bit higher.
Mucche, questa delle
Mucche.
mucche.
Okay, so the
Yeah,
cows.
yeah, because bigger, so cows.
Oh, so the other was the goats, the cabra.
Sì, di la capra.
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, so it's smaller.
Exactly.
I get it. Okay. Wow.
Wow. And the views are just, you know, spectacular. It's you feel you are embraced, and then you are projected a little bit because you know in front of you there is, you know, like the Alps, you know.
Yeah,
it's,
yeah,
you
yeah.
cannot fake that.
Yeah, the first impression, ti ricordi Anna? No, yeah, the first impression was no, we can't use these 2 old stables, no. But then I have the same feeling that you have before, no? Like an embrace. Di un abbraccio quasi, no? An hug, no? A storm hug, no? So, a storm hug, yeah.
I like also the bed.
It's all old wood, no?
Sì, sì, tutto
Yeah.
nostro.
Della
casa.
Sì,
Sì.
della casa. Usato, riusato.
Esatto.
E
So-
questa è la coperta che mi ha fatto mia nonna.
Oh, sì?
Sì, mia nonna.
Yeah, there were a lot of women that use works uncinetto, no?
Molto, sì, molto. Uncinetto e tela di casa, la tela che
Ma
usavano.
di canapa, giusto?
Sì, canapa,
Sì,
proprio
sì.
la tela
Canapa.
nostra.
Canapa.
Hemp.
A mano?
Mano, tutto a mano, erano molto brave le signore qua del posto, lo facevano d'inverno, facevano uncinetto. Si trovavano nella stalla e facevano uncinetto, parlavano
E
dove
parlavano.
c'erano le mucche, così si scaldavano.
Sì.
E non accendevano il fuoco in cucina o si scaldavano col calore degli animali.
Sì, sì.
Sì.
A natural eating system, no? The cows.
Sì.
In the bathroom, the last part of the bathroom, there were cocks, galli.
Roosters. Was it, oh, right there. Is that those little doors? Was that where the hens were?
Yeah.
Alice in Wonderland door.
It doesn't look like it. Amazing. So even the bath, there's just no porcelain in
No.
the shower. And
We want to use the porcelain only for the sink and the toilet, because in the past there weren't porcelain.
yeah, you see that the floor is just continuous.
Yeah, absolutely. We want to continue, no? Because I don't like to have a different tiles, a different materials, no?
And the wall is not tile again, right?
No, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's lime?
It's
lime
lime.
plaster?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And lime plaster doesn't fall apart with water? Did you coat it?
It's covered by a paint that it waterproof, no? So, but if you touch, no, you have absolutely like a normal lime, no?
Is it? Oh yeah, you can't tell.
Yeah.
That's great.
Exactly. Yeah.
And even the ceiling, like you're not worried that the wood will get humid and
No,
rot
not
or
so much. No, because you have only to open the windows after you do the shower. So.
That was probably for grinding
Salt.
yourself.
Because the
Capito?
people bought the big salt, no? So they have exactly to produce the fine salt. They have to pestare.
Grind it.
An old bell for the cows, and for the goats.
That's a large bell they're wearing. They really wore that?
Più prestigio avevano.
Prestigio avevano.
Oh yeah?
esatto.
Yeah.
The bigger bell?
Sì,
Yeah.
sì, sì, sì. Questo vale ancora oggi.
Sì, ancora oggi. Sì, è vero.
This is interesting, so it's outside.
Yeah, it's
summertime?
like exactly for the summertime. It's like an entrance that it's covered. It's under a roof, and for the grandfathers, the part that permit them to work covered by the roof. No. Now we are inside the hayloft. No. So here there was the hayloft. No. So the hayloft without any windows.
With this
This is
finestra,
incredible.
no need of TV.
I think the same thing.
No, sir.
I was just thinking,
Sì, c'è la televisione, ma nascosta. Perché la televisione è quella.
La televisione è quella.
Io non volevo neanche metterla, perché secondo però no.
No, that-
Nascosta perché la televisione è lì. È la finestra.
La vera televisione
È quella lì.
In the Alps, the houses has little windows, no? So you can't see the stunning view that you can enjoy from the inside, no?
Yeah, yeah.
So it's time to open, no? Now we have the technology to do this kind of big window, big open.
And you decided to make it all the way down. I mean, it's completely, the glass
Yeah.
to the floor.
Yeah, we want something that was massive.
And how many meters do you think this view is? If you look from you can see from the valley floor to the top of that mountain. I mean, how high?
Il dislivello praticamente dal fondo della valle al sopra la montagna.
Sì.
1200, sì.
1200 metri di dislivello.
That's a huge.
1200 metro,
Di dislivello.
una finestra.
Una finestra.
And you have a
Waterfall.
Cascata, sì.
Cascata,
Ah,
no?
sì. Tutti gli animali che passano sono molto contenti, a parte mucche e capre, e ci sono i cinghiali che rovinano tutto.
Volpi anche.
Tanti, sì.
The mezzanine, very minimal, no? With only the bedroom. But from here you can see from a little bit higher the view outside. No?
Right. You see more of the pasture actually.
Exactly.
And the valley.
Yeah,
It's the
exactly.
valley view.
Yeah, exactly.
And you didn't give it much headroom here. You just enough.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter, no?
Because it's a bed,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
It's
Only a
not
bed, no? So you come here and you sleep. You don't
come
have
and
to
sleep,
do anything else. So.
Yeah.
And we want something that was sospeso, suspended.
Suspended? Yeah.
Without any pillars.
So, how did you achieve that? What technique did you use to keep it like this?
How was it suspended?
This part in iron, no? It's connected to with the beams, no?
Okay,
From
so-
exactly, yeah.
It's so thin. That's strong enough to support.
Absolutely, yeah. It's calculated to support all the structure, no? It's connected with this beam and the other beam under the mezzanine, no?
That's great. And again, the lights are so subtle.
Only a cut inside the
Into the wood.
Inside the
So
wood,
you actually
exactly.
cut the wood for the light.
exactly, yeah.
Okay.
And I like to work with not so many materials. The materials it's absolutely natural, except for the iron. But we use the rusty iron because it looks more similar to the stone.
So you made it rust?
Yeah, made the
Well,
rust.
yeah, you made the rust.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Just by...
I use normal iron and you leave outside for a month, for example, no? Yeah, absolutely. It become rusty, no?
Yeah.
And he fixed with a particular paint that fixed the rusty. But at the same time, we use again this rusty wire, no? Very, very slim, no?
Suspended again.
Exactly, suspended again, yeah.
Again, shower is all stone.
All stone. We maintain the wall in stone, no? The original wall stone of the house. It looks like that you do a shower on the river, no? With the same lighting system, no?
And that
Very,
works,
very simple.
That works even in a bathroom. There's no issue.
Yeah, because it's
having the light
waterproof
on
too.
it.
That part, yeah.
Okay, covered. Wow.
All the pipes you can't put inside the old stone, the pipes. So inside here we put the this vaschetta for the toilet,
like the
and we
cistern.
cover exactly. So we make this part that in bricks, no, covered by the same lime, no. So it's very, very natural again, no. We want to maintain the same height of the doors, no. So it's we know that it's not so high, no? So keep careful. No, ma possiamo andare di qua.
I also like very much what you did with light. It's indirect and it's warm.
We study a lot about the lighting of this house. The light is not something that has to cover the walls, the beams, the ceiling, as only two underlings, no?
To highlight.
To highlight the walls, all the characters of the house, no? So very, very soft, no?
Come chiaroscuro.
Esatto, esattamente. Maybe you can see the line of the terrace. There is a lot of vegetation, but can you see the line there? But there are
So, yeah, I do actually.
a lot of different lines.
So that was farmland.
Exactly, yeah. But all that side.
Was all farmed.
Exactly.
But a while back. I mean, now no longer. No, obviously.
No. Now
Trees, I
in
mean.
the last 60 years, don't work. Particular of this, there are a lot of artisans that still works the stone in the same way that they works the people 500 ago, no? The people in the past don't want to see the stone wall, no? Now the people want again the stone wall, but now is a kind of luxury finiture, no? But at the same time, with the respect of the past, but work in the future, no? Because here is now, no? So there is a future with the past.